Hey everyone, welcome back to Battery Hacker, your ultimate destination for all things battery related. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Schumacher SC1361 fully automatic jump starter and battery charger. I'll be covering its key specs, features, pros and cons, and wrapping up with final verdict. So if you're thinking about buying this or just want to know all the details, stick around until the end. Let's jump right in. Key specifications. Amperage, 50 amp start, 10 amp boost. Battery compatibility, standard and AGM. Voltage, 12 volt. Charging modes, multi-stage. Safety features, reverse hookup protection. Additional features: LED indicators, microprocessor-controlled. Features and performance. The Schumacher SC1361 is more than just a jump starter. It's a versatile charging solution. Its 50 amp start delivers the power needed to jumpstart most cars, SUVs, and even smaller trucks. The 10 amp boost is a handy feature for those quick top-ups when your battery is slightly drained. I appreciate the inclusion of multiple charging modes. It's clear that Schumacher has put thought into battery care. The microprocessor-controlled charging ensures your battery is treated gently and efficiently, extending its lifespan. The LED indicators are a simple yet effective touch. They provide clear feedback on the charging status, making it easy to monitor the process. And let's not forget the safety features. Reverse hookup protection is a must-have, and it's good to see Schumacher included it. One thing I'd like to see is a digital display to provide more precise charging information. While the LED indicators are helpful, a digital display would offer a more detailed view of the charging process. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful jump starting, versatile charging modes, safety features, compact design. Cons: lack of digital display. Could be heavier for larger batteries. Final verdict. The Schumacher SC1361 is a solid choice for many vehicle owners. Its combination of jump-starting power and multi-stage charging makes it a versatile tool to have in your garage. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly charger that can handle most vehicles, the SC1361 is definitely worth considering. However, it's essential to assess your specific needs before making a purchase. If you own a large truck or RV, you might require a higher amperage charger. Similarly, if you frequently deal with deeply discharged batteries, a charger with desulfation capabilities could be beneficial. The product link is given below if you want to buy or know more about it.